In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can easily create an AI ginger cat viral videos that looks exactly like this right here. So guys, you want to simply walk with me from the beginning of this video to the very end on how you can easily create viral videos that looks exactly like this. So right here guys, let's dive right into the video. So guys, what you want to simply do is to go onto your Google Chrome and you want to make use of ChatGPT. So right here guys, you want to simply make use of this particular prompt right here. So once you're done putting in that particular prompt, you want to simply just send message to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT is going to write a story of an orange chubby cat traveling with his chubby orange kitten from the bus station to a bus crash. Scene 1 bus station. So this is all the scene I need right here, and ChatGPT is just going to generate the scene right here for me. So guys, once the scene is done generating, the next thing guys you want to do, you want to simply copy your scene 1 right here. Simply go on to copy and go on to the Bing image creator. So you want to simply make use of image creator from Microsoft Designer, which is the Bing image creator. So once you're right here, simply tap in. You want to simply paste in the scene 1 and click on to create, and it's just going to create 4 different images right here for you within a few seconds. Alright here guys, as you can see, it is done. So usually just tap on that. You want to simply just download the preferred image that goes in line with your prompt right there. So you want to simply download that particular image, and once you're done, go on to ChatGPT and simply copy the scene 2 right here. Copy, go on to this and simply just paste that right here on the Bing image creator. So right here guys, our scene 2 image is done creating, generating. So right here guys, I'm just going to make use of this particular image right here. So you want to simply just download this particular image into your device. So this is it. You click onto the download button and that is done. You go onto ChatGPT and go onto scene 3. So you want to simply create scene for all of this right here. So right here guys, I'm done creating all the scene right here for my video. So guys, all you want to simply do now is to go onto CapCut right here, be it on your mobile device or on your Windows or iOS, and right here guys, simply import all of those images that you were able to generate right here. So that is it right here guys. So all you want to do is to simply drag and drop the image. So guys, what I want to do right now is to simply drag in this particular image right here. So you want to simply just arrange the image based on each scene right here. So once you're done doing this, you just want to simply adjust each of the scenes to be probably 1 minute for each particular scene. So I might just adjust this to 1 minute. Go on to the next, you do the same. Go on to this, just simply adjust your scene. So next thing guys, you can easily add some transition right here to each of the scene right here. So you can decide to start from here. You go on to the transition right here. A lot of transition right here that you can easily make use of and add right here to your video. So I'm just going to scroll down right here. So as you can see, let's simply make use of this right here. So I'm just going to drag and drop this here. You go on to the next scene. Simply just go on to you simply just add this right here to the next scene right here. Let's add this. So once you're done adding transition to all of this, you can easily just animate each of the images right here. If you go into the animation section, we have lots of animation that you can easily make use of. You can decide to add this to this. You go into the next, you can decide to just add your animation to all of your scene right here. And guys, just doing this, you are done generating your ginger cat AI viral videos right here. So guys, all you want to simply do once you're done with this, you can add in some voiceover and even the background music and click onto the export button, and you are done creating this particular viral videos right here. So guys, if you're looking for the AI tool that helps you create viral videos that looks exactly like this, simply try out the step that I have showed you right here in this video.